We've got the integral of x cosine x evaluated from 0 to pi, and this is a clear product and it doesn't appear to have an easily solvable u sub, so we'll do an integration by parts to solve this. We'll start by letting u equal x, and then of course the derivative of u will be the derivative of x, and then we'll have dv set to cosine x, and we'll integrate that to find that v is sine x. With integration by parts, we'll go across the top and then down over. So what we've got is x sine x evaluated from 0 to pi minus the integral evaluated from 0 to pi of sine x dx. Of course, we went across the top for the x sine x and then down there for sine x dx. And now we just need to solve the integral of sine x, which we know is negative cosine x. So we'll have x sine x evaluated from 0 to pi minus the integral of sine x is negative cosine x evaluated from 0 to pi. Of course, this simplifies down to this, x sine x plus cosine x, all evaluated from 0 to pi. And now we're ready to do our final evaluation. So what we'll do is we'll say pi times sine pi plus cosine pi minus, in parentheses, 0 times sine 0 plus cosine of 0. Now, of course, sine at pi on the unit circle is 0. Cosine at pi on the unit circle is negative 1. Minus 0 times anything is 0. And cosine at 0 on the unit circle is just 1. So what this is negative 1 minus 1, which equals negative 2. If you have any questions, or if you've got any other calculus problems or physics problems you want me to work on, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.